Hi, it's Susie Lee with 66 Degrees. Just wanted to show you guys a new feature called Annotation. This gives you the ability to either use a laser pointer or a pen for Google Slides. I know a lot of folks have been waiting for this feature for a very, very long time. Let's get started. So I've got my slide deck here. This is our executive business review or our quarterly roadmap. We're going to go in slideshow mode. I like to use the presenter view just so I can have my notes up. There's lots and lots of notes. If you guys have been on one of these, it's pretty long. So we're going to go to the left-hand side. You're going to see the slide bar. This can move you forward or back, but you're going to get to the three dots. So here are your options. So you can turn on your laser pointer. This is just a pointer that just kind of, shows you go back and forth. And then let's go ahead and turn on the pen. I like this one. This is pretty cool. So you can circle things. You can, a little bars there, maybe a little angle. You can underline things. You can put exclamation points. You could do quite a bit on that. And if you need to, you can also erase. The only option right now is to erase all. But that's pretty much it for that. Or you can use these shortcuts with L or Shift L. I'm a huge fan of this one because sometimes you just need to accentuate whatever it is you're trying to make a point. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Happy to assist. Have a great day.